Hello everyone, welcome to Pandas. So today's session will be moving towards to the learning concept of your multi-axis indexing. Before that, you already learn about the indexing, slicing, how you have to do the sorting. So same way for NumPy as well as your Pandas also use this indexing concept. But Pandas has the one extra feature, or you can call it a so basically the multi-indexing, it's giving you the extra features on pandas that is nothing but your three methods you can call as a special methods or you can call as a extra features in a indexing that is .loc, .ix as well as your .iloc. So let's discuss one by one what do you understand by your the first method, then moves to the second method and then comes to the third method. The first thing you should always remember whenever we use this indexing methods like your indexing or selecting a data, because here with the help of this we just want to select the particular data as well as we have to index that. So for that purpose we use this particular method. We start with the .loc methods. So basically it provides the various method to have a level based indexing. So its name itself, LOC, means it used for your level based indexing. So this is the purpose it's used. It has some methods like it will be used for list of labels, a slice object, a boolean array. So depend upon that we use this particular method of LOC. Now moves to your IX and ILOC. This both are like similar but not particularly similar, but for the one reason it will be a similar way. Both are used for the indexing option and a return value. So these two are used for the returning a value. So that is the similarity in between IX and ILOC, particularly in pandas. But if we discuss separately .ix or .ix, so basically this is used for your both your level as well as integer based. We use this, and once we come to the ILOC, that is used for your integer. So integer, just nothing but similar of LOC level based, but it use integer. It use IX, it use the level and integer both. So those are the concept and the methods we use to use in with your NumPy and pandas as well. Mostly it's give the pandas the extra features with the use of slicing. You can do integer slicing, index slicing. You can go with the other slicing methods in this column wise, rows wise. So this is what your multi-axis indexing is work for. I hope you are clear with the theoretical aspect for the multi-axis indexing. Let's understand in a practically. So just we'll jump to the Jupyter notebook to continue with this. So we just start with importing first. So import numpy as np, import numpy as np, then import pandas as pd. We just run this first. Importing is done. Let's to create a data set with the help of data frame. So pd dot data frame, frame. In the data frame we just want to create with the random values, because I'm taking just random values. You can use here the like directly to create an array. I'm just randomly taking the value np dot random dot your randn, and then how many values you wanted, like how the values are you are taken. That's depend upon you how many you wanted. Suppose I need 10 values and then I just want to two things, so that will be the things you have to go. Then you are going with the index, same way how we are doing for the normal sorting index we are giving, same way we are doing our index here. So for the index I'm just giving the values with the 0 comma 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6 comma 7 comma 8 comma 9. So I just gave the 10 index values for my the things. Now I'll give with the column lum and column, and I'm just giving the columns names here, and I'm just using two columns, so I'm just giving the column names like lum and column 1, and then I just go with the another column lum and column 2. So done with my column. Yeah. So let's move to the selecting all rows part. You have a multiple list, right? But in that, I just want to give the my name with the other things, like in a columns, like you can give the multiple columns values here. So suppose I'm here, I'm giving here 5 column values, okay? And in that, the column values, I just continue with another columns like COLUM and column 3, and then I'm just continue with COLUM and column 4, and then I'm just continue with COLUM and column 5. So I just gave a 5 column name. Now here I just want to print the things, but I just want to use my level wise. So print inside the data, because in the data it will be stored. Dot loc, that is a method, right? Dot loc, and in that I just continue with the column. First one rows I need all, but the columns I just want to column CLUM and column 1, suppose C column 2, and I just want another one is column suppose 4, column COLUM and column 4, right? You just check once the column name. So COLUM and the first one, it's, so I gave here column 2 and 4. You can observe here we are having a multiple columns, but when you access to the level, just column 2 and 4 will be there. So this is how you have to use .loc methods in a pandas. And we'll be discussing other two method, that is your .ix as well as .iluc method in the next session. So to practice on this, let's in the next session we'll be going with the other two methods. Thank you.